Hello, this is the technical description for the API application for CodeLab 2 Assessment 2. To begin with, you have, for the starting of the code, the main imports that have been used. We have your main ones, and I've added requests, which helps to fetch the data from the API, random, which helps shuffle the information, so you get new questions every time, and HTML import for some visual aspects. To start off, you have your API link, which helps fetch the data from the API, which I've used as the Open Trivia one. It fetches 10 multiple choice questions from the API, and I've used a mythology specific category with a medium difficulty. And the response is praised to extract the questions and answers and the options. Now, to start with, you have your question class, which helps to display the main question itself, and then you have your correct answer prompt, which adds in the correct answer of the question, and your choices, which displays the rest of them. So it's the correct answer and the 3 incorrect answers with it. It is a multiple choice question. As for the quiz brain, it is where the logic works in for the quiz. You have your has more questions, which checks for how many of our questions are left answered. You have your next question option, which helps you redirect to the next question. It retrieves the next question and increments the question counter. You have your check answer function, which verifies if the user has given the right input or the correct answer, and your score function, which helps to calculate the final score of how many correct or incorrect answers and the percentage of how many they've got. You have your main menu screen, which displays the main BG for the main menu. So you have a background display with a title screen, and you have your play button, which starts off the game, and a quit button, which helps you to end the application. So the quiz interface is the main aspect of the whole code, which is where the infrastructure of the main quiz itself exists. You have your title screen and a background image import. You have your display title section, which displays the main question up onto the screen. You have your radio buttons, which creates the 4 radio buttons needed to answer the question. It gives you 4 choices. You have your display question, which helps you to display the current questions and then shuffles the options accordingly to the question. You have your next button again, which helps you to redirect to the next question. It validates the user's answer and redirects you to the next question. You have your load question function, which helps to load in the question after each other. You have finally also the display results section, which prompts in a new window showcasing the percentage of marks you've gotten and the correct amount of correct answers and incorrect answers. The question bank is what is used to convert the API question data into actual question objects, which are the texts you see on screen. And I've added the HTML on escape to help decode HTML entities such as the quotes or certain aspects of it to help with the visual design. And you have your quiz brain, which creates an instance for the quiz brain with the list of questions, and the main menu option launches the application into the main menu. I've also added references to what I've used to create the code. This was the technical description for API application CodeLab 2 Assessment 2. Thank you for watching.